Hey, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all is doing now well. My name is Simri Shobul Islam. I will telling about QMS internal audit findings. It's now. Let's get started now. You will first visit my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and press this notification bell icon in next video notification update. A QMS internal findings is a most important system in your garments industries. Everyone people who can like this one your internal audit. When this create an internal audit, you check more than your findings. What's define your findings? It's not correct, it's not correct, it's not correct. It's a finding system. You can create a audit and start it audit system, SOP, organization, implementation. It's most important in this part. QMS, Quality Management System. It's another now PDCA Plan to Check Act ISO 9001 2015, ISO 9001 2022. So it's a 2020. It's a normal situation in your life. So you can start it a system and quality management. You can learn this everything and ISO, TOT, TQM, and other certification. But you can continue your garments industry's job. But you probably need a support in your ISO certification and QMS, TOT, TQM certification. So you have this certification, you grow your life is smoothly. I hope you understand everything. So thank you so much for watching this full tutorial. I will telling about in your QMS others department works and in the next videos.